This is Central Television. And now it is time to hand it off to TV AM.
This is an emergency broadcast from the Home Office. Information of a nuclear attack against this country has been received. Targets are currently unknown, but it is believed the missiles may impact within the next 5 minutes. Therefore, it is already too late to evacuate. It is advised you seek immediate shelter, gather food, water, medical supplies, clothing, and any form of portable radio to last for more than a month. You will be informed when it is safe to exit your place of shelter.